在今天 Cheers 的采访里面呢，我们来一起听听哈桑跟他太太跟 Cheers 的故事。
Hello， 大家好，我们是58店的加盟商李毅。
Hi everyone, my name is Hassan. We worked in the oil industry for about 15 years.
虽然薪酬待遇各方面的都很好，
But you don't really feel any joy. After I exited the oil industry, I did my research on different franchises. And what attracted me to Cheers was their robust marketing and sales model. Cheers has a very clear idea on who their customer base is. They understand the wine market, they know why the wine industry is growing so much in China. And I wanted to learn about wines. That was the first thing which led me towards Cheers. 草的味道。Cheers as a company is really fun to work with.
dynamic culture
And they're very approachable.
and diversity working style。Cheers 总部呢，对加盟商有着非常完善的一套支持体系，包括商铺选址、葡萄酒知识的培训，包括后期的开店指导，还有运营指导等等。那加盟商呢，可以毫无后顾之忧的来运营店铺，是非常的轻松。
What I like about working in my own Cheers shop is the immediate satisfaction of seeing a customer smile when they like what we have proposed to them, and that they sip their wine and they immediately start to smile. That brings me joy every single time. I want to help Cheers achieve their goal of opening 888 stores in China, and I love a lot of different cities in China. My advice to any potential Cheers franchisees would be, do your research, listen to the Cheers expert, and choose the best location. It's important to have a fun and outgoing personality, but it's also quite important to have an active interest in learning about wines and the culture of wine. Make sure you have your own presence in the store. Come to the store as often as you can. Interact with the customers and your employees, and make sure you keep a good tracking of your inventory. Not only do I like drinking wine, but I also like making people aware of who we are as Cheers.
Cheers!